Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 10th history lesson number 1, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In the starting of the lesson it is given that in 1848 Frederic Sariou, who was a French painter, prepared a series of 4 prints in which he visualizing his dream of world. According to these 4 series picture, he tried to show that during 1848 which were the countries who had already received the nation state or who had get freedom from the monarchy system, and which were the countries who had not got freedom till that time from monarchy system. According to that, he showed series of people of Europe and America marching in a long train to offering homage to Statue of Liberty. This procession is followed by different countries of Europe like USA, Switzerland, Germany, Austria, the Kingdom of Two Sicilies, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary and Russia were there. These were the countries who were marching and offering homage to Statue of Liberty. According to this series, according to this trend, it was tried to show by the painter that which country were received freedom till 1848. Now you will think that how it was recognized that which people or which country was the country who received freedom till 1848. So at first in this line it was showed that USA was there. According to that, it was tried to show that USA and Switzerland were those countries who were received freedom till 1848. After USA and Switzerland, it was showed that people of Germany were there. It means they fought for freedom, and after some time they will receive freedom from monarchy system. After Germany, Austria was there. Then after the Kingdom of Two Sicilies were there. According to this line, it was tried to show that which were the countries who are fighting for freedom and they will just get freedom from monarchy system, or who were the country who will take time to get freedom from monarchy system. According to this picture, it was also shown that from heaven above, Jesus Christ, saints and angels gaze upon this scene and they are blessing them because they struggle for the freedom of their country. It was tried to show that brotherhood and struggle or unity was the major thing according to which anyone or any country can receive freedom from monarchy system, or they can get rid of those type of government system, administrative system which were not provide them beneficial opportunities for their development. During the 19th century, nationalism emerged as a force which brought about political changes in the world. Nation-state emerged in the place of multinational dynastic empire of Europe. According to that, it was shown that during 19th century, so many countries of Europe were there who were fighting for their freedom, and they decided that they have to set up a new type of government, a new type of political system in which each and every category, each and every section of the country will receive equal opportunity for the development. Such type of government is not allowed in any country who is taking its decision according to the majority, and it's not providing equality and development opportunities to all. It is providing respect, privileges to those only who have higher status in the society.